Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Mini Cooper key battery. First, gather your essential tools for this simple task. You'll need a new CR2032 coin cell battery, which is commonly available. Also, grab a small flathead screwdriver to carefully open the key fob. Finally, a soft, clean cloth can be useful for a quick wipe down. Having these items ready makes the process smooth and quick. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small indentation or slot, usually on the side where the emergency key slides out. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. Apply gentle pressure and twist the screwdriver slightly to pry the two halves of the key fob apart. Be careful not to use excessive force to avoid damaging the plastic casing. It should separate with a soft click. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Carefully remove it from its compartment. Pay attention to how the old battery was oriented. Typically, the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side is facing up, just like the old one. This ensures proper contact and functionality. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, making sure all the internal components are properly seated. Gently press the halves together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Test your key to ensure it's working correctly. Before we wrap up, remember to check the description below for a link to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.